Hey, to pair your JBL Go 4 with the Android smartphone, first of all you have to turn it on by using this power button. So we have to wait until this indicator turns on, and now click once on the Bluetooth button to enter for the pairing mode. It will start blinking quickly and you will also hear that sound. Now put it close to your phone, and as you can see in my case I already have this quick pairing. But if for some reason you don't have this, you will have to navigate into the settings on your smartphone. You will have to open the Bluetooth settings. I can recommend you to turn them off and then turn them on. And now just take a look for available devices. As you can see, now I can find JBL Go 4. So all I have to do is just to click on it once, wait for the pairing request, now accept the pairing, and we are connected. And next, we can also get the application from the Google Play Store. So let's go into the Google Play Store. Click on the search and input this phrase JBL Portable. There we go. We have to click on the install button. And now we just have to wait a few seconds until the download will be finished. And after this we have to click on the open button. Now just wait for this short JBL animation. And now we can click to get started, accept everything, then click to allow. And now it's actually looking for our speaker, but we just connect the speaker previously by the standard Bluetooth settings, so now we just have to wait for the synchronization. And there we go, now we are connected. So that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.